My name is Savannah Pyatt. This is the ecological framework of the Argentine black and white tegu in Florida. So here I've got the ecological framework model. This is kind of a lot, so within the next few slides I will break it all down. On this first slide, this is slide 1, that's why it says notes on slide 1 in the connection. So between management and biodiversity loss, the tegu robs nests of endangered or threatened animals in Florida, such as the American crocodile and various types of sea turtle eggs. 1,452 tegus were trapped in Florida in 2019. Over 5,000 were reported. There are various different, management, groups that have come together to create a program to remove the Argentine black and white tegu. These two are connected through the management program, removing the tegus, which would help the ecosystem heal from the biodiversity loss it has endured from the vast numbers of these tegus. Between the social environment and the human impact, humans get a cool pet without doing research and then let it go outside when they can no longer care for it. This connects to the social environment as well as the environment itself, because if this happened in colder temperatures instead of tropical Florida, the tegus will not survive. Here they can not only survive, but thrive, because they can lay about 35 eggs at a time, and they are found in most places in Florida. So between the management and social environment, the population management, such as animal and nest removal of this animal, would slow, if not stop, the breeding and processes, and in turn reduce the overall number of this invasive species in Florida, where it doesn't belong and where it is altering the food chain. Biodiversity loss and human impact and their connections. Humans not doing their research and getting an animal they can't control or don't have the means to care for turns into a process where they have no means to remove the animal from their care other than releasing it to the wild. Luckily for these tegus, Florida has the perfect parameters for them. They are omnivores and will eat a bit of everything they can. This lowers the numbers and reproduction rates of various local vegetation, insects, small animals, and even the eggs from alligators, crocodiles, snakes, birds, and anything else that have nests of young. These are my references for this project, and I just wanted to reference back to my ecological framework model as a whole. So yeah, that was my project, and thank you for listening.